So in this topic, we are going to discuss two things. Create an account on ChatGPT. So in this section, I'll walk you through how to create a new account in ChatGPT. And after that, I'll show you how to use an existing account to log in into ChatGPT. So let's go through these now. So these are the various steps which we will go through while creating ChatGPT account, a new ChatGPT account. First, we'll visit the Open AI ChatGPT website, then click on the sign up button to create a new account, and then we'll provide an email and a password for creating a new account. And then once we have provided these details, then basically ChatGPT will send a verification email to our email account, and then we'll verify our email address. And then once this verification is complete, then we'll use the email address which we use for creating this account plus the password. We'll use the combination of these two to log in into this new ChatGPT account, and then we'll provide our full name and date of birth. And once we do these steps, then at that point our account will be successfully created. So let's do these steps one by one. So let's go to the first step, which is going to the website to create the account. Clicked on the ChatGPT website link, which is chat.openai.com. I've clicked on this link to go to this website. You can also type it in a new Chrome or Internet Explorer browser window. Once we have reached this website, then what we are going to do is going to click on sign up button. I'm going to click on the sign up button, and now it is asking us to provide a new email address. I'm going to provide a email address to it for this account. When we are providing the email address for creating a new account, we have to remember that we should have not used this email address before for creating a TP account. So I'm going to provide a new email address to it. So I've written a new email address here, and then I'm going to click the continue button. And then we have to provide a new password. At the time of creating this account, the password requirement from ChatGPT is minimum 12 letters. So I'm going to provide a correct password to it. Okay, I provided it a password, and I pressed on the continue button. So once I pressed on the continue button, it is saying that it has sent a verification email to my email account. So now I'm going to check in my email account whether I have received the email or not. Let's see that. So I've already opened my email by logging into my email account. And if you see this OpenAI verify your email, this email have come through as a new email, and it is a verification email. So it have this verify email address button. So I'm going to click it. So that's how the email will look like once it arrives in your email box. So I'm going to click this verify email address button, and now it takes us to OpenAI website again, and it is asking us some additional details for creation of account. So I'm going to provide it new details like my full name and my date of birth. And I will agree to the terms and conditions which are provided by OpenAI. So I've agreed to the terms and conditions of OpenAI, and now OpenAI have created my account, and it is giving some tips on how to use the ChatGPT account. The first tip it is giving is ask away. You can ask any question about something you want to learn, or coding, or brainstorming. You can ask all those things. It is also suggesting you to not share any sensitive information with the ChatGPT. And then the last tip it is suggesting is that sometimes ChatGPT information can be inaccurate. So when you are using the information which is provided by ChatGPT, it can be inaccurate. So just be aware of that. So I'm just going to click on OK, let's go. So this is, we have successfully created a ChatGPT account, and we have successfully logged into it.